Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add contributors to your Salesforce community. So first thing, make sure your community is enabled and created. So you can log into developer dashboard or admin dashboard, then type in community in quick find. Go to the community settings to check whether your URL works. Okay, then you can simply select this, open a new tab, and it should show you administration settings. Okay, and it will also show you this default URL that you can use for settings. Now here you can choose contributors from left hand sidebar. Click on that and it should open a wizard for you to allow to add contributors. Click on that, and here you will find a list of names or users that you can add to your community as contributors. Currently I don't have any manual names added for my community, so it won't appear that here. But once you add them and you assign the role, you can click next, and then they will appear in a table here. Okay, so you get the idea how to add contributor to your Salesforce community and how to assign them role through wizard.